Okay, now for the speed time graph, now we're going to talk about the how do we describe it. Okay, so describing the graph. So what we can do is to describe the graph to make it easier, because if you look at a whole graph like this, it looks complex. But what we can do is to break it up into various regions. So what we will do is we will use the time frame to split the graph based on the way how the speed changes. So from 0 to 2 seconds, you can see the speed is increasing. So this forms a region. Okay, this is the first region here. The second region, you can see the speed remain constant from 2 to 4 seconds. So, okay, this will be the second region. Next one, after 4 seconds, you can see the speed goes down. So this forms the third region. And after that, from 6 to 10, you can see the speed increases again. So this forms the next. And lastly, you can see the speed remain constant here. So this is the last segment. So the breakdown will be from, okay, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 10, and 10 to 14. So we can mark this as region A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so now how do we describe it? Now, to describe the graph, write in sentences based on the following format. So you can see here, write sentences based on the following format. First, write down the change in independent variable. In this case here, we talk about the time. From what time to what time? Next, we talk about the change in dependent variable. So we talk about how the speed changes. Okay, and lastly, we need to use a bit of imagination to imagine how the object is moving. So we can see here, okay, first statement from 0 to 2, that's our first breakdown. The speed increased from 0 to 20. So speed increase from 0 to 20, obviously the object is moving faster. Okay, so from 2 to 4, the speed remains constant at how much? 20 degrees Celsius. So the object is moving at the same speed. From 4 to 6, the speed dropped. Okay, the speed dropped over here. So the speed decreases from 20 to 0. So what is happening when the speed drops to 0? It is slowing down and it will come to a stop. Okay, what happens after that? I'll let you go and do the practice. So make sure you try to complete this. Now, okay, we got practice 3 here. In this case, it's a simple diagram over here. Let's try to split the graph up first. So I'll split the graph up based on this. Okay, region A, region B, sorry. Okay, last one, region C. So how do we describe the graph? So initially, okay, we will say from T equals to 0 to T equals to 10. This is your first region. So you say that the speed increases from 0 meters per second, seconds here, to 10 meters per second. So in this case, my object is moving faster. Okay, so next region we're going to talk about from T equals to 10 to T equals to 20. So the speed is constant. At how much? At 10 meters per second. Okay, so in this case here, my object is traveling at constant speed. Seconds here. Constant speed. And the last region is over here. So the last region from T equals to 20 seconds to T equals to 23 seconds. Speed is decreasing from 10 meters per second to 0 meters per second. So what's happening to the object? The object is coming to a stop. Okay, so this is the whole thing over here. So this is the end for your speed time practice.